So that storm I was on about, it actually has turned into a pretty brutal storm, mainly for Ireland and Scotland and a little bit of northern England. I sound like a weatherman, and here we're going to have some dry spells. No, it's honestly kind of turned a bit rogue, like my hair. It's honest to God, it's woke us up. It's getting on now. It's like 10 o'clock. The schools are off too. They closed the schools. It's probably a wise idea for us because the bus comes off the top of a fell, or the Northern Pennines, if you want to be precise. Basically, it is pretty bad. It woke us up because the roof it's making the roof creak and my phone rattle. And it is getting pretty strong. It isn't at its strongest gust. I really wish I had like you can get like a thing off eBay where it checks the gust speed. I really wish I had one of those. That would be in the perfect time. But oh my God, it is getting pretty strong. And hopefully Ireland, everyone's all right and things. And I'm going to keep her a bit posted. I did have a live cam going, but I kind of turned it off because the noise going through it was ridiculous. Like the wind, it sounded horrible. So I turned it off. But I'm going to keep you updated. It hasn't hit its strongest point yet. I can't show on the flip side because it's all of a sudden turned into weather watch with Friedbadger again. If it's not snows, it's hurricane speed winds. Now, I've not been feeling very well after that video. I was shot. I feel really crap with throat. I feel a bit temperature, but storms like this kick me up again. So let's go outside. I probably shouldn't because I'm going to be resting. But I love me a storm. It is the gust speed, which is the worst, and that's what they normally measure these by. I'm not too sure what it is right now, but around 10 o'clock I'll look at the wind gust. Let's have a look. I'll let you have a look at these trees wobbling around like my belly. But it's not hit its point yet. It's not till around 11. I think it's around 11 it's hitting its point. So I'll keep you posted then, because our power has been flickering on and off quite a lot at the minute. Okay, the wind speed, gust speed is definitely picking up now. It is definitely picking up now. This is mad. My doors are rattling. Let's just have a look at this. Look at this. Let's just check the wind speeds and gusts at the minute for where I am. Weather watch with badge, because we like weather and shit. Right now it's 76 miles. Why is it not zooming in? It's 76 miles, no actually, yeah, 76 miles per hour. Winds, gusts, we've got average of 38 miles per hour in normal wind. To be honest with you, it's wind which is just, it's not easing down, it's just going and going and going. The sheep way up on top of that hill. Jesus Christ. I mean, I'm used to wind living up here, but this is different. It's to a point where it's making a humming noise in the house, and that doesn't normally happen, and the wind is just constant and constant and constant. It's not stopping. Normally it has like a little bit of a breather, but this is just, I mean, up there is worse. On top of that hill, we're kind of in a little bit of a gully or valley or whatever you want to call it, but it's going to be bad further up on them hills. Oof. Oh, beautiful. Jesus Christ. Oh, my bin. We're going to get live bin footage of flying. Slow-mo bin footage of it taking off. And yeah, I freaking love storms. As long as everyone's going to be alright, there's no one hurt. Right, there you go. Jesus Christ. Storm Eowyn, or whatever it's called, in full brute force. Cumbria. Well, it's not actually in full brute force yet. Another quick update with my hair. It looks like Johnny Bravo. Electric's out again. Don't look at my smoke alarm, it hasn't got a. There's my bulb, look, amazing bulb. No electric again. There's my bin. Gone to Oz yet. No, we're still. So the wind Jesus Christ, yeah, it's kicking up bad now. Like I say, it's around now or 11. Oh, I want to go in there. Let's go on. I look like an idiot out here with the camera though. I could do this. Oh, I'll stick it in my top. Let's do that. Let's go on a watch out here. Oh. See if anything's come down. No, I think we're all good. Nothing's come down. All the sheep on top of the hill is, oh bless them. They're all cuddled up together. It's probably the last place I would be. I would probably rather be down in the bottom of the valley. Bloody sheep. But it's just the wind gust speed. It's all it is, because apart from that, it's just a normal windy day in Cumbria. But I think it is different though, because the wind just doesn't stop. If you look at the trees, it's better with the trees over there, but you probably won't see them on this camera. It just doesn't stop the wind. It's just howling and swirling. We are on a tornado watch too, by the way, strangely. I watched Dr. Reed Timmer on Facebook and YouTube, mainly YouTube because Facebook's shit. YouTube, which is an absolute legend storm chaser. And there is potential tornado threats, he said, so it's potential. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. But I believe that man, because he's all the knowledge. And there has been a tornado down in Cornwall too yesterday, which took caravans up, which is crazy for UK. But yeah, it's alright at the minute, I think. I was just about to make a coffee tea. I'm going to have to use the jet boil. God damn it. It's a good job I got a camping stove. Flipping hell, is electric back on yet? Oh, damn you. Never mind. It had a wind speed of 86 miles an hour just a minute ago. 86 miles an hour. That's bonkers. I keep checking it because it keeps changing, obviously, when it gets a higher wind speed. Well, wind gust. I should say it. Wind gust. Or gust speed. It's like... That is pretty strong, man. That is... I'm trying to get on my house exactly. I don't know how interesting this is for you standing at my doorway just going, oh, look at this tree. But I'll keep putting like pictures up. I would go out in it, but it's just stupid. Honest to God, it's stupid. I'm not going anywhere near trees right now. Honest to God, the wind is just circling and circling. As you can see, the leaves are flying everywhere. There was a duck trying to fly in it before, and it was having a bad day, that's for sure. There's just leaves flying about. The bin's actually doing pretty well. Look at that bin. There's like a champ of bins. Let's... Jesus Christ. Let's go in it. For the lols. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Oh, there's the bird there. Look, cool little thing. Oh God. That just can't fly. Oh, it's going for it. What a champ. Oh, it actually... Oh God, it just got took off. I don't think this little camera's going to pick that bird up. But that bird... When it got to the top of the bank, it went flying. Honest to God, it'd be a lot worse on top of that bank up there. Because I got the jet ball going. Got the jet ball going because the electric's off. Sorry about the strowing here. You see, I ain't been well, so I ain't been able to clean the porch or anything, but the jet boil is going. I need a brewski. We've got a latest update. The bin. I was boiling my drink up. We missed the bin fall over. Now we know it's a real storm in the UK. When your biffa bin falls over. Well, it's not really a biffa bin. The wheelie bin's falling over. So that means it's a real storm in the UK now. It's confirmed. Bin strength winds But no word of a lie, I've been checking the app. I'll check it again while I'm here. I've honestly struggled to get a signal. Things are not updating very well. I'm trying to talk to people on Discord and it's just not updating. I don't think this weather app's updating. Because the internet where I live, bloody hell. Oh my god, yeah. Okay. This shit's getting real now, guys. Yeah, that is strong. Definitely a really big wind. Jeez, everything. As long as I don't get hit by a flying sheep or something. Holy crap, that is howling out there. But I want my coffee. Oh shit, guys. Woo. Oh, why did my coffee? I want my coffee. We've still got a little bit to go. Let's go out in it. Stupidly. Don't do this at home, even though I am at home. Jesus Christ. That is some strong wind, guys. And I don't mean after a curry. Look at all the leaves flying everywhere. I don't know if our camera's picking it up. This is mad. I know people might not be interested in this, but I fucking love it. I just want to keep my coffee if it's bubbly. My dog not even sleeping. Holy shit. That was a strong gust. I gotta check the app. That was definitely over 76 mile an hour. That was massive gust of wind. I'd be surprised if that's still... Seriously still 76 mile? I don't know if I believe that. That was very strong. I don't know if this app's even working anymore. I don't know if my phone's even working very well. Like I say, it's all off the internet. But yeah, that was a... So I have just read here, breaking storm Eowyn records gusts of an island of 114 miles an hour. Holy shit. The record stood at 113 miles an hour. That is mad. I mean, Scotland's meant to be in a red warning too, so I don't know. Right, well. We've got the bubbles going. I got my granulated coffee in there. Grounded coffee even. Let's get the coffee on, because I am parched, because I was getting up to get a coffee. I went straight to doing this, and then the electric went off. See how dedicated I am. Dedicated arsehole. Dedicated arsehole here. Now is the time where it's going to get worse for us, supposedly. So I'm having a quick look on this app. Oh yeah, my apps are just taking so long to load, because I'm honestly on the H symbol on my phone. 76 miles an hour winds. I think something's just fell over there. I can't really see anything. I just heard something fall down. The hell's that? I don't know what that was, but I just heard something making absolutely clonk on the floor. Hopefully it's not my tiles off my roof. But there's leaves everywhere. There's just leaves flying all over the gaff. You can hear it, like the roar of it. It's quite straight. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's like roar. It's like it's so different to what the normal winds are. And like I say, it's just constant wind. And so I should really get my other camera, because the bushes are just non-stop blowing around. The poor sheep. I don't know if you're able to see the sheep up there. Vaguely, they're like there. They're all huddled up in a group, bless them. Gonna blow away and be a lamb mutton. Gonna blow into my teapot. I don't know why a teapot. I'm gonna cook a sheep in a teapot. That's a bit. If it's not getting boiled, it's getting teapotted. Anyway, I'm gonna get this coffee. Speaking of, well, it's not a teapot. Coffee is needed. I haven't had one yet. I don't know if anything really drastic happens, which I don't think. I think we're gonna be good now. And electric, I think it's still off, unless I just made a coffee and that for no reason. No, electric's still off. So they won't say if the power lines might be down. And if the power lines are down, they won't send anyone out till this is calmed down, because they're not going to risk someone's life to go up in 70 odd mile an hour winds to fix someone's cable. So if people come into my house now, I smell like a freaking Nando's. No, not Nando's. Smell like chicken. No, it smells like Costas. Jet boiled coffee. on a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Not the proper Ninja Turtles. I didn't actually mind this series, by the way. I wanted to get an old school, because I'm old school Ninja Turtles. We were on about Storms. I was just sat here just chilling in a porch talking about Ninja Turtles. But yeah, I think I'm going to call it. Hold on. I'm going to look at my man boob. It's still a hoolie going on. Jeez, a leaf just smacked me in my face. And it is blowing a stinker. This porch, the glass is actually rattling. I've never seen this porch glass rattle. It's not doing it now. It's not. This isn't really the best storm chaser. Me inside a house. Not saying I'm a storm chaser. I'm far from. Holy shit! The doors just rattled. Oh my god. Right, let's go out the other side because this is getting actually quite bad now. Zoomed in face. Right, let's go into. I don't know what the wind speed is. Jeez, that is not 71 mile an hour. Holy Christ! This is going to be really loud, by the way, and I do apologise. But wow, this is really mad. I really want to go to the top, but I don't know if I dare. I'm gonna shove you in my jacket. There you go, you're in my jacket. I don't know how much camera life I've got left. Oh, it's not life, it's memory. I've run out of memory. I'm gonna go at the top of the road. This is gonna be really noisy, I do apologise. I'm probably going to get whacked in by my coat too. Hold on, sorry about this. Oh my god, there's birds trying to fly. Jesus Christ. Oh, whoa! That is strong. Flipping hell. That is mad, that is. I honestly just had the worst wind gust trying to get up this bank ever. I couldn't get up the bank. This is actually strong. Debris everywhere. There's loads of sticks and twigs everywhere. It is actually pretty mad. I don't really want to get hit by anything, to be honest, but coming down this bank was a nightmare. I don't know why it was so strong. Got 9 minutes of camera footage left, but getting up here. Oh, summer's actually for pyjamas. There's a bit of wood over there flapping around, and I particularly don't want to get hit by it. I tried to get up here a minute ago, and I couldn't hardly get up the bank. Oh God! Jesus!
You're Viva Wanner in that one scene.
My camera's getting covered, I do apologise. But, oh my God, I couldn't get up the bank. I don't know if I was recording or not. What happened? Jesus. We'll go over here quickly. Come on. Holding on for dear life. Poor sheep everywhere, hiding behind bushes. I can't see anything on the power line over there, so there is leaves just flying all over the place. There's sticks on the road. It is probably not wise just being out, to be honest. Oh Jesus Christ, them wind gusts are absolutely insane.
camera's getting, but it's going to be a racket. I'll try and calm it down as much as I can. But holy wow. I was trying to get up the bank, I was getting blown back down. That was insane. There's actually, through the woods, there's a tree off through the woods up there. I can't really show you, but there is actually branches snapped off. You can see snaps. It's just when them big gusts come down off the fell. It's just grass and twigs just flying everywhere. I mean, I'm going to go in now. We've confirmed it is strong wind. Jesus Christ! That is mad. We're not any, well, we're near trees, but we shouldn't get hit. Oh, look at all the leaves blowing in the forest. Well, whoa, look at them all. I don't think, oh my God. All the crows flying over there. Oh, they're doing well. Until I get into that bit and get sucked up like a vacuum cleaner. Jesus Christ, I think we're gonna, I'm gonna call it there, but yeah, this is bonkers. That is, I nearly got blown back down the hill. I don't like the way that bit of wood's flashing around. Jesus. Let's go and stand up here. Whoa! I just nearly got took up. Jesus Christ. Oh. So he's in Carlisle, so it's not going to be that bad. Oh my God. I love to see the wind strength. Let's have a look at. Whoa, I can't keep still. That is not 71 mile an hour. That is bullshit. I'm sorry, but that is not 71 mile an hour. It's nearly lifting me off the ground. It's not strong enough to push you back though. I'm leaning forward, but it's not pushing me back. But that is mad. I'm gonna see how long's left. I've nearly run out of memory on my card. But I think we've guaranteed that is strong. Right, let's go down now. I don't know if you could see that. 89 miles an hour. It's not really zooming in very well, but 89 miles an hour on top of the Pennine near us right now. So wind speeds are coming down from the Pennines down here, and that is strong, nearly 90 miles an hour. I'm going to keep an eye on it for a bit, but near 89 miles an hour on top of the fell. Holy shit. We've got an update. I've just had an email, letter, what am I on about? I just had a pigeon mail for a text message from the power grid. 4,500 homes are affected right now. The breaker has had a fault. We've dispatched a crew to investigate. 1800 is when our electric's going to be back on expected time. I doubt they'll be sending anyone up in this, so that's probably why they're waiting for the winds to subside a bit. I mean, it's meant to go on for a while. It's meant to be just constant wind for more or less all day, but right now I wouldn't thought they would send engineers up in nearly 80 odd or 70, 80 miles an hour winds, to be quite frankly fair. If they do, you're brave souls. But yeah, there is a fault in the breaker. I mean, I'm not surprised, to be honest. It is strong as hell. So yeah, our electric 1800, that is a long time. We might be making food on the jet boil. Looks like we're camping in the house tonight. These wind gusts are absolutely bonkers. It's just all of a sudden, it's just a random gust just takes you away into, I don't know, madness. It's madness. Holy shit. I just got smacked in the face, man. There's so much traffic still. Whoa! Fucking hell! Jesus Christ! I had to hold on! And this stuff just went flying off the porch. Holy shit! That was 1 mile an hour gust. That is bullshit. I'm sorry, but that is... I had to hold on to the wall. Some of my porch just went flying off. Oh my god, I'm glad we went up there on that gust. I just nearly got hit by a leaf. Okay, it's going to be very, very loud, this, but let's see. Oh, that rain is actually... Hey, Jesus, Eowyn. I'm sorry if this is not interesting enough. I just find this sort of shit interesting. Especially getting gusted to high heaven. I mean... oh god. It's probably going to be hard to hear me. But I've seen wagons go past, which is just stupid. There's a van going past at the minute. Holy shit. There is a wild box.
It's going towards
Oh, it's a ready meal. Quick, get it. What is it? What is going... Put it in the bin too.
Gyros style pork.
Gyros? Oh jeez, is that vegan?
Wait, let's see if it's vegan. The real Greek eat together. Wait, it's not vegan if it's pork though.
Maybe it's fake rubber pork. Oh no, it's not vegan. That looks nice actually. Well, I'll put it in the bin. That's probably minging. It's probably rolled in cow crap.
Used by 22nd of December.
22nd of December?
Well, we can't really...
Well, it's definitely used. It's rolling down... Oh, I need... Dude! Now she's dropped it. For Christ's sake. I have to pick my bin back up. I thought my bin had a crack in it. It's got a stick stuck in the bin. Well, I said it calmed down last time. It really didn't. So, not that you could see that very well, but that's 87 miles an hour. Jesus, the bin's over again. That's 87 miles an hour on top of the fell near me. That's coming down here too, but obviously it's not going to be as strong, but that is absolutely mad wind. I don't know when to stop. I don't know if you're going to find this interesting or not, but I like this sort of stuff. My battery's nearly dead on this already. All the sheep are over there now, all huddled up. All the sheep are moved off top of there. They've gone down near the bridge, which I don't know why they didn't do that in the first place, but sheep fine. But now they're all huddled up near the bridge. That... Oh, I think we get the point. It's a bloody windy day. I'm going to sign off now. And anything drastic happens, I might put a little walk around at the end of this. Oh gee, that is mad. I might put a walk around at the end of this, see if we see any trees down, which isn't normally down, and things like that. And I'll put a little after of the storm at the end there. And the cat is chasing leaves outside the window. Aren't you? Push. Let him. Chasing leaves outside the window. Oh wow. Them trees are absolutely going... Some of us flew off that tree. I've just seen something fly off that tree. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. There's something seriously just flew off that tree. They are bending backwards and forwards like mad. There's the sun there too. I'd be surprised if there's no trees down well, I know there's trees down. Loads of blue sky up there. The sheep are actually venturing forth. They need their feeds. There's not much... Oh, there's a sheep over there running around. Well, it's doing. Maybe trying to find its kite. It's weird because it's cleared up, but then over there it's like... Well, it's not cleared up, but there's breaks in the sky like up there. And then you look back up there. I think it is... Why am I so zoomed in? Sorry about that. Probably zoomed you right up my nose. Sheep are unhappy. I'm not surprised, to be honest. Oh god, it's right there. Oh, it's finding its herd. There it is. Leaps and bounds. Far away sheep in the distance. It's finding its dudes. But this is bonkers, man. Just a quick update. It is just non-stop howling. Like, I mean howling. The trees are buckling out the back. I don't think I got the app on. This is mad, man. Jesus Christ. Something just went flying past. I'm just trying to find... Holy what? Yeah, this is mad. This is actually... Totally mad. I'm actually freezing there. Let's just... I've only just managed to get signal. The sheep are over there. Jesus Christ, that is mad. These wind bursts are absolutely bonkers. Let me just check what wind speed we're on. Holy crap, the max so far, you can't read that, god damn it. That's 84 miles an hour. 84 miles an hour wind bursts. Can't see, unfortunately. That is stupidly strong. Holy sugar. I have to keep my phone recharging it though. Sheep's having a bad day. But these winds, man. I don't know if there's any more trees down or not. Holy mackerel. It's crazy strong out here. I'm not going up there though. There's the sheeps. Sheeps are munching. So they're actually coming to us. Little sheeps are just...
They're just a chill guy.
They're just munching down. And having a pee. Nice. Cheers to that. Alright guys, a little update of Storm Eowyn. Some Eowyn. Sound like a sheep getting ridden by a... I don't know. Anyway, sorry I'm a dressing gown too. I'm just not feeling very well. I actually feel like crap. Or I feel like I'm spinning, and I just feel crap really. We just had a message from the electric board on my text because I struggled to get signal in here because where we are, but it somehow got the message. We're without electric till tomorrow. Tomorrow we should get our electric on supposedly. I knew it was going to happen. The wind is still howling. The trees are still buckling. I mean, they're not going to send anyone up to repair a power line in this because, well, consequences really, isn't it? So tomorrow the winds are meant to die down a little bit, and so yeah, I think it was 1800 is the estimated time for them to come back on electric. So there we go. We're out electric for basically 24 hours. I'm so glad I got my jet boil. But yeah, so tomorrow 1800 is estimated time to get our electric back on. I'm just a bit worried about my gecko because I've got a leopard gecko, so I'm a bit worried about that. Yeah, I mean the wind has died down a little. I wouldn't say a lot, but it has a little. I mean we're going to get another burst soon. But yeah, I'm going to go and lie down on the sofa because I feel like crap. Hopefully we'll get an update and I'll take you around once it's all died down a bit and I feel a little bit more brighter, and we're going to see what damage is being done because I reckon there's going to be a lot of trees down. I mean I've already seen a tree down over there. But yeah, I'm going to go and lie down and chill out, have a coffee. But there we go, a bit of crap news really. The electric's going to be off for 24 hours ish. But I mean it could come on, that's an estimated time, but they're definitely not going to send an engineer up in the middle of flipping 80 mile an hour winds, are they? So anyway, catch you later.
Looks like we're going to be in the dark age. We better get the candles out. Make it romantic. Well, we've found something else out. We have no signal on our phones. The masts have gone down. Wow. Now I feel like I'm back when I'm a teenager again. The signal used to go a lot here when I was younger, and the power used to go out a lot. As soon as a bit of wind hit us, the power was out. I mean, it's a bit better now, but the wind's knocked the power out, and it's knocked the mast out. While our power was out before, we did have internet, but now we don't, so I can't get internet at all. Eerie finish to the storm. It is calming down, but look at that sky. Hold on, let's get you on a selfie stick. Eerie finish to a storm. That has caused a power outage and our internet signal and our phones to go off, or phone signal in general. God. So I will keep you updated. I will. I've got 12% on me, my DJI, and all my batteries are dead, but no one zoomed in. But yeah, this storm has caused major problems to my hair and to the power outages, and the signal and phone's gone off. My signal's not come back, so I don't know if they've turned all the power off and signal's getting fit. I don't know, unless the mast's down. The mast could be down. That was strong ass winds. I say it's not. It's windy, but not as windy. But that is. I really wish I could get my drone up to that sky, but obviously I'm not doing that. Well, I don't know where Summer is. I don't know, in the camera. I can't tell. Here you are, see you. We're sitting by candlelight by a fire which isn't on yet, but we've had to set up the candle rig. What are you going to say about these situations?
Ritual.
Yeah, we're about to raise the dead of Elvis. Oh, no, we're not. Yeah, welcome to our seance. We're going to join hands and eat cupcakes together and stuff and worship My Little Pony. But yeah, this is what we've got for the next, well, till 5 o'clock, I think it was, tomorrow morning.
5 o'clock in the morning.
No, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, sorry. I mean, that's an estimate. I mean, it could be on sooner than that. Could be on in the next. I doubt it's going to be on tonight. It is still blowing a hell of a gale out there. I've lost.
We had to walk in that.
We went for a walk in it, and my Jesus, it was windy. There's actually not too much damage from what we're seeing on our walk, but we didn't go all the way around. So we're going to check it out though from where all the trees are and stuff later on. I've got 6% on my battery. I'm going to have to turn this off now. But this is our night. We're going to be cooking on the jet boil in a minute, some ninnings.
Eat cereal.
I need some cereal and that. I'm just more worried about my gecko because my gecko needs heat.
Put candles in there.
No, because he might jump on it and set fire and be a gecko running around. But yeah, so it's going to be an interesting night. And I'll catch you in the morning, I guess. Yay. Seance. Why do I look like Johnny Bravo with my hair?
Who?
Yeah, you don't know Johnny Bravo. Only legends know Johnny Bravo. Oh, Summer's about to eat the table. I've got the lights on. I've had to go on my phone, by the way, guys, because my DJI is dying. My drone, the battery pack, what comes with it, because the little batteries, a battery there, and a battery there. It actually acts as a power bank, which is absolutely bloody awesome. Watch out, scary spider! Which is awesome. So it's keeping my torch going, my camping torch, which was dead, and now it's bright as anything. So the room now is pretty lit up. We've got candles going. It feels weird in here, man. I feel like I'm back in Tudor times. But we're going to be cooking up some grub soon. I'm going to try and do some bits of recording here and there with my phone now. And yeah, catch you in a bit. Oh, is already a light out?
I'm on the case.
Is that run out? These tail lights are shite. Mind you, these tail lights I bought about 10 years ago.
I've got this, bro.
I was ready for this moment.
Get out!
You're not near anything at the minute. You'll know about it because it'll be on fire. There we go, beautiful. So there we go.
Ah!
It's amazing when you have no electric how echoey everything is. Anyway, we're going to put Summer's foot back on with sticky back plastic. Enjoy the seance, guys. Ooh. So we're just cooking up some chicken onions just to shove into a wrap. And then we're going to put some cheese on it. We're going to put some cheese on this. And then we've made our own sauce with Cajun, garlic, a bit of pepper, a bit of chilli. And that lovely stuff. I'm just going to have wraps. And then chill out doing absolutely nothing for the rest of the night. Hello, and I'm just the last update really of the storm. It is dark now. It is a day later. So there is another storm coming in, but I'm not going to do that one unless it gets savage. But this has been quite a strong storm for the whole entire, well, most of the UK. Ireland got hit badly. I was reading there was a whole forest, basically, I think it was 90-something% wiped out forest in Ireland, which is wow. But I went for a walk earlier today. There was 2 trees down. I didn't think it was worth recording. 2 little trees. I think we got away here. I'm surprised there wasn't some big trees down where I live. But, well, saying that, where I live, there is, I haven't checked everywhere. You know, I haven't gone down there. There might be some big old trees down, but I know further up the road there's a lot of trees being down. There's a tree on top of the field down, and there's one over there, which in our village. But apart from that, I actually thought there was going to be a lot more down where I live. There's strong winds. Well, the winds were just unreal. Further on down the road, though, further on our way, there's been a load of trees down. There's been roads blocked and everything, and up that way. So we got quite lucky, I guess, is all in all, from what I can see, 2 trees down here. But we got away with quite a lot, and I hope you enjoyed this random episode. I'm going to finish it off here. There's no point me even showing you them really, and we'll catch you on the next one. There is a video coming out which was meant to come out first, but this video came out first because with the storm coming in. But anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. Take good care. Oh, my light's just flickered. We've actually had problems with the electric too. The electric has been going on and off quite a bit too. My electric's just dimmed there, so it's like, Christ's sake. It's, as you can tell, there's a slight breeze. It's not as bad as it was. But anyway, guys, catch you in the next one. Goodbye.